Halloween, the favorite holiday of countless people, is right around the corner. But do you know how Halloween came to be known as the holiday we know it? This is Knowledge Simplified, and you are watching the history of Halloween and its origin.
Halloween's origin dates back to the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. The Celts, who lived 2000 years ago, mostly in the area that is now Ireland, the United Kingdom, and northern France, celebrated their new year on November 1st. This day marked the end of summer and the harvest and the beginning of the dark, cold winter, a time of the year that was often associated with human death. Celts believed that on the night before the new year, the boundary between the worlds of the living and the dead became blurred. On the night of October 31st, they celebrated Samhain, when it was believed that the ghosts of the dead returned to earth.
To commemorate the event, Druids or Celtic priests built huge sacred bonfires where the people gathered to burn crops and animals as sacrifices to the Celtic deities. During this celebration, the Celts wore costumes, typically consisting of animal heads and skins, and attempted to tell each other fortune. This is the earliest known history of Halloween. After this, a lot of changes took place, and its name and style of celebrating was also changed. After the Great Famine in Ireland, the place of origination of this holiday, many Irish citizens migrated to the USA, which helped popularize the celebration of the Halloween nationally.
Borrowing from the European traditions, Americans began to dress up in costumes and go house to house asking for food or money, a practice that eventually became today's trick or treat tradition. Young women believed that on Halloween's day, they could divine the name or appearance of their future husband by doing tricks with yarn, apple parings, or mirrors. The practice may also be related to the medieval custom of souling in Britain and Ireland, when poor people would knock on doors asking for food in exchange for the prayers for the dead.
Trick or treating didn't start in the United States until World War II, but American kids were known to go out on Thanksgiving and ask for food, a practice known as Thanksgiving begging. By the 1920s and the 1930s, Halloween had become a secular but community-centered holiday, with parades and town-wide Halloween parties as the featured entertainment. Despite the best efforts of many schools and communities, vandalism began to plague some celebrations in many communities among this time. Between the same period of time, the centuries-old practice of trick-or-treating was also revived. Trick-or-treating was a relatively inexpensive way for an entire community to share the Halloween celebration. In theory, families could also prevent tricks being played on them by providing the neighborhood children with small treats.
Thus, a new American tradition was born, and it continued to grow. Today, Americans spend an estimated $6 billion annually on Halloween, making it the country's second largest commercial holiday after Christmas. Well, this was all from our side. We hope you learned something new from our video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It's free and you can always change your mind. We'll see you very soon.